In a heartbreaking incident, 2 soldiers lost their lives during a routine training flight when their military attack helicopter crashed near Booneville, Mississippi. Identified as Chief Warrant Officer 4 Bryan Andrew and Chief Warrant Officer 4 Derek Joshua Abbott. They were both based at the Mississippi National Guard's Army Aviation Support Facility 2 in Tupelo. Bryan Andrew, 36, served as an AH-64 Delta Apache instructor, while Derek Joshua Abbott, 42, was serving as a maintenance test pilot. Both were dedicated members of their respective units and deeply valued members of the military community. Our hearts are truly broken at the loss of these 2 members of our family, expressed Major General Janson D. Boyles, commander of the Mississippi National Guard. The 2-seat AH-64 Apache helicopter went down in a wooded area near the Mount Olive Baptist Church. The crash site was near Highway 30, just outside the town of Baldwin, northeast Mississippi. Shortly before the crash, weather data recorded wind gusts of up to 21 mph. This tragic incident reminds us of the risks our servicemen and women face every day, even during routine training exercises. The loss of Chief Warrant Officer 4 Bryan Andrew and Chief Warrant Officer 4 Derek Joshua Abbott is deeply felt throughout the military community and the nation. The Mississippi National Guard is conducting a thorough investigation into the incident. In the meantime, they are providing support and assistance to the families of the fallen soldiers. Our thoughts and prayers go out to the families, friends, and colleagues of Chief Warrant Officer 4 Bryan Andrew and Chief Warrant Officer 4 Derek Joshua Abbott. They will always be remembered for their dedicated service and sacrifice.